In today's tech video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should buy the Samsung QN90B. This TV has a lot to offer and is a great option for those looking for a high-quality 4K TV. It's an HDR TV with the best high dynamic range performance. With it being a well-known brand in the television industry and their products are always at the forefront of innovation, you can expect this TV to last for years to come. So here are 3 reasons why you should buy this TV. The first reason is because it has an excellent display. The 4K screen with HDR delivers excellent clarity and contrast, making it perfect for watching movies, TVs, or playing games. It has a great color accuracy, contrast, and brightness for its price point. The second reason is because it has a wide viewing angle. This means that you don't have to sit in front of the television to enjoy your favorite show. You can watch comfortably from any seat in your living room. When it comes to deciding which size of TV you should get, we recommend a 55 to 65 inch screen. Those are usually the best sizes for a typical living room. The third reason is because it has built-in smart features. You can watch Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming services on this TV without needing any additional equipment. With the way that subscription options are cutting the cord to cable, you want to get a TV that offers the most popular apps out there, and this TV does just that. One last thing that I want to mention before you decide, this TV has a great sound, but you might want to pair it up with a matching soundbar to maximize and boost the audio when you're watching your favorite movie and TV shows. Be sure to check out some of my other videos for a recommended soundbar. Well, hopefully this helped you in deciding if this TV is the best option for you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.